down to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a shot. Hi guys, how you doing? So in today's video, as you all know, I always share the wig of the week either on Saturday or Sunday. So this week's wig of the week is going to be this beautiful braided afro hair. So if you love this video, if you love this wig, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll make it for you. Okay, so let me just try it on, guys, and comment down below if you love it. Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right.